Before, we learned the structure subject, verb, the, and then complement. We use the to combine verb and complement. For example, 他跑得很快。跑 The state or result of the action is 很快. We use the to combine 跑得很快. And here, in Chinese, we have a type of verb phrase. It combined by verb and object. For example, 吃饭. 吃 verb, 饭 is the object of 吃. So 吃饭. If the verb combine verb and object, we need to repeat the verb before the and complement. For example, 我妹妹吃饭吃得很慢. So remember, in front of the, we need use the simple, very, very simple or single verb. Only 吃 can position before the. So we need to repeat the simple verb, or we say single verb. 吃饭吃得很慢. And here, verb word. In this sentence, the verb word is 说话. 说 is verb. 话 is object. So we need repeat the single verb. 说话说得很快. 说话说得很快. 快 很 here 很 is a degree adverb to modify this state verb 快. Please remember, if the verb word is this type of word, if the verb word combined with a verb and an object, in this structure, you need repeat the verb, the single verb in front of the and followed by complement. 吃饭吃得很慢. 说话说得很快. 你跑步跑得快吗？你跑步跑得快吗？我 跑步，跑得很快。我跑步，跑得很快。你游泳游得怎么样？你游泳游得怎么样？我游泳游得不太好。我游泳游得不太好。你骑脚踏车骑得快不快？你骑脚踏车骑得快不快？我骑脚踏车骑得很慢。我骑脚踏车骑得很慢。Remember, verb, object. You need repeat the single verb and then the, and then complement. Repeat the single verb in front of the. See you. Bye.